Okay, well, tomorrow's Sunday. They didn't have any sleepers for tomorrow, so I would have had to delay it to the next day. And instead, I'm going to do the SkyTrain and then go back to my hotel. And I think I've seen enough of Bangkok to get an idea of it. And I think I'd rather move on to more scenic places. So they had a seat tonight, or a sleeper tonight, so I said, give it to me. Today's Saturday, so that will get me in there tomorrow. And looking for a clock. There it is. So it's 12:30. So the train leaves at 7:30, I believe. So that gives me 7 hours to... Yeah, 7:30 the train leaves. And it was 1,068 baht. I'm going to go back to my hotel and see if they'll let me check out. And the other reason I'm leaving is because tomorrow, if I had to hang around tomorrow, I couldn't do the side trip that I want to do. I was going to go up to the River Kwai. Bangkok's okay, but I think that a lot of people will agree that you get to a place and you know pretty quickly whether it's for you or not. And Bangkok's not my kind of town. I can tell you that now. It's nothing against it. It's not bad. It's just if I had a choice between here and going out and doing like a tour out in the water, I'll choose the water. And that's basically what it's going to free up a day for me to do that island tour off of Krabi, Phuket. This is why I don't want to cut it close. There's too many people out. It's a Saturday. Okay, we're getting on to the train. The overnight train. Car 11. Number 11. Thank you. My car, number 11. Well, it's converted to bottom bunks. The chairs are like that, and then he converts it to a bed, and then he takes the beddings from above, which he used a key to unlock that. They're selling beers and buckets at 160 baht for a beer, which is about $5, which is very expensive. Normally you can get it for 20 baht. Most people bought a meal for 160 baht. The meal costs the same as a beer. You almost got your beer ready. Bed ready. So you tired, Billy? You ready? Gonna get some sleep?
I've got to wait, really.
Yeah.
I've got to wait.
Well, you figure it's 4 in the morning your time.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
What time do you normally get up in the morning?
I get up about 6 normally. If I was like from where I've come from, hours behind, so what would that be?
You said it's 9, so it's 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Yeah. I've been on that massive long flight. So is that what?
Well, I mean, you're 18 years old, so your adrenaline's probably still kicking in. But it's
I'm so happy to see her, to be honest with you. I'm like, I was knackered after the flight. I slept a little bit on the flight, to be fair. Sorry, mate. Thank you.
get as much sleep as you can, and just force yourself to be on this time zone.
Yeah. That might get funny if I just lie there a bit, would I?
No, not at all.
It's 7:30 in the morning.
And we're supposed to arrive at Surat Thani, my train station, at 7:06. How far is it to the next stop? 1 hour? 2 hours? I said, yeah, 1 hour. So we'll find out. Now the bus to Krabi is supposed to be at 8 o'clock, so if I miss that, I can't do anything to control it, so let's go with it.